The Agriculture Department is confident that pork prices will start to drop by next month as the country expects the arrival of more imports. But local pork producers are warning that lower pork prices will only be temporary. Shalya Francisco with the details.
Pork sales remain slow in wet markets, with prices still beyond the budget of most consumers. Based on the Agriculture Department's price monitoring, liempo is still at 330 to 390 pesos a kilo, while kasim is being sold at 310 to 370 pesos. Though imports have been arriving, retailers say it did not really decrease market prices.
May dumating na bang marami? Kasi ganun din eh. Wala namang pagbabago sa presyo. Baka yung mga supplier namin silang mas nakano dahil mababakuan nila. Pero ang pasa nila sa amin, ganun pa rin.
Still, the DA remains optimistic that prices will go down starting next month. This as the Interagency MAV Management Committee releases the guidelines for the arrival of the additional pork imports. Recall that back in May, President Duterte approved Executive Order 133 allowing for the importation of an additional 200,000 metric tons of pork in a bid to bring down prices. Under the guidelines, 70% or 140,000 metric tons should arrive between July and October, while the rest should be brought in from November to January next year. The allocation is higher than the 55 to 45 ratio approved by the Agriculture Department's Technical Working Group. It is also higher than the agreed recommendation of stakeholders to equally divide imports into 12 months. But the DA defended the approved guidelines, saying bringing in a bulk of supply is needed to see a significant impact on prices.
It should be substantial to the point na itong imported pork nito is nearing those prices before the spike.
The DA is expecting prices to go down below 300 pesos once the bulk of the imports arrive by the third quarter. Pork producers, however, warn that the low prices of pork products will only be temporary. They expect the prices to shoot up again by next year.
Pagka dumating yan ngayong August up to December, sigurado madi-discourage. At bababa ang presyo ng karne, maaaring ngayong taong ito. Pero next year, dyan, lalong magsasuffer ang ating mamimili. Pagkat aatras ng pag-aalaga, titigil, ang marami nating magbababoy.
The DA is banking on its hog repopulation program to ensure that prices will remain low after the arrival of all imports. Shalya Francisco, we are One News.